Want to know the 5 laziest ways to make money online in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to unveil 5 simple yet effective methods to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. From dropshipping to affiliate marketing, completing online surveys to creating engaging content and even selling stock photos, there's something for everyone, and the best part? You could potentially earn up to $300 a day as a beginner. Ready to start your journey towards easy online earning? Let's dive in. The first method we're going to explore is dropshipping. Now, you might wonder, what is dropshipping? Well, it's a business model where you, as an online store owner, don't need to have any physical products in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles inventory and fulfills orders on your behalf. You simply focus on marketing and customer service. So, how do you start a dropshipping business? It's simpler than you might think. First, you have to decide what products you want to sell. This could be anything from fashion accessories to home decor. Then you find a supplier who provides these items and set up a website where customers can browse and purchase your selection. Next, when a customer makes a purchase, you forward the order details to your supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. The difference between the supplier's price and the price you sell it for is your profit. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't have to worry about inventory management, packaging, or shipping. Your supplier takes care of all that. This leaves you with more time to focus on marketing your products and building a relationship with your customers. Now, why is dropshipping considered a lazy way to make money online? Well, it's not because dropshippers don't work hard. They do, especially when it comes to marketing and customer service. But the fact that you don't have to deal with physical inventory or shipping logistics makes it a business model that requires less hands-on work compared to traditional retail. And here's the cherry on top. With dropshipping, you can start your business with minimal upfront investment. You don't need to buy inventory in advance, and many dropshipping suppliers don't charge a fee to work with them. So, not only is dropshipping a relatively easy way to earn money online, but it's also accessible to almost anyone with a computer and internet connection. With dropshipping, you can earn money while suppliers handle the heavy lifting. The second lazy way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Now, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Imagine being a middleman but in the digital world. Affiliate marketing is a process where you partner up with a company, promote their products or services, and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. Here's how it works. First, you need to choose a product or service you want to promote. This could be anything you are passionate about or have knowledge of. Remember, it's easier to sell something that you believe in. Once you've decided on a product, you'll need to join the company's affiliate program. This usually involves filling out a form on their website and waiting for approval. Once approved, you'll be provided with a unique referral link. This link tracks any traffic or sales made through your promotion. Your job now is to share this link as widely as possible. This could be through your blog, social media profiles, YouTube videos, or even in the description of your podcasts. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a lazy way to earn money online. Why, you ask? Well, once you've shared your link, your job is pretty much done. You don't need to worry about product creation, handling customers, or even shipping. All of that is taken care of by the company. Your only job is to promote the product and wait for the sales to roll in. Now, don't get me wrong, it does require some effort initially. You need to build a platform where you can promote these products. But once that's set up, it's pretty much smooth sailing. You can earn money while you sleep, literally. Here's a tip. Choose products that offer recurring commissions. This means you'll earn a commission not just on the initial sale, but on any recurring payments the customer makes. This could lead to a steady stream of passive income. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting other companies' products. So, if you're looking for a lazy way to make money online, affiliate marketing is definitely worth considering. The third method is taking online surveys. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are online surveys? Well, they are questionnaires that companies and researchers use to gather data about consumer habits or opinions. They are typically conducted by market research companies on behalf of businesses that want to understand their audience better. So, how do you get started with online surveys? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, sign up with a legitimate survey site. There are several out there, so do your research and choose the one that suits you best. Second, complete your profile. This ensures that you receive surveys that align with your interests and demographics. Finally, start taking surveys. They will be sent directly to your email, or you can find them on the survey site's dashboard. Now, why is taking online surveys considered a lazy way to make money online? The answer is simple. You can do it from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere with an internet connection for that matter. It's flexible, meaning you can do it at any time of the day or night. Plus, you're basically getting paid for giving your opinion, which doesn't require any specific skills or expertise. It's an easy and relaxed way to make a bit of extra cash. Remember, this method won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a great way to supplement your income without putting in a lot of effort. Online surveys provide a way to earn money by simply giving your opinion. The fourth method is content creation. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does content creation mean? Well, let's break it down. Content creation is the process of generating topic ideas that appeal to your audience, creating written or visual content around those ideas, and making that information accessible to your audience through various platforms, such as blogs, podcasts, videos, and social media posts. In the digital realm, content is king, and every piece of information you share is a reflection of your knowledge, creativity, and expertise. As a content creator, you have the power to build a personal brand, engage with an audience, and influence decisions. The beauty of it is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere else in the world, really. So how does one become a content creator? It begins with identifying what you're passionate about. Do you love cooking, fashion, tech, or perhaps gaming? Once you've figured that out, it's about creating engaging and valuable content around your passion and sharing it with the world. You can start a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even an Instagram account. The options are limitless. The next step is to consistently produce high-quality content. It's not enough to create a single blog post or video and expect the money to start rolling in. You need to consistently put out content that your audience will find valuable. This could be once a week, twice a week, or even daily. The key is consistency. Once you've built a substantial audience, you can start monetizing your content. This can be through advertising revenue, sponsored posts, product placement, or even selling your own products or services. Now, why is content creation considered a lazy way to make money online? Well, it's because you're essentially getting paid to share what you already know and love. You're not working for someone else, you're working for yourself. You set your own hours, you decide what topics to cover, and you control how you present your content. Content creation allows you to earn money by sharing your creativity and knowledge. The fifth and final lazy way to make money online is through stock photography. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is stock photography? In the simplest terms, stock photography is the supply of photographs licensed for specific uses. These images are used by businesses, websites, and marketers who need high-quality photos for their projects, but don't have the time or resources to hire a professional photographer. So, how do you get started with stock photography? The process is surprisingly straightforward. All you need is a good quality camera, a knack for capturing eye-catching images, and a platform to sell your photos. Websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images allow you to upload your photos and earn a commission every time someone purchases your image. But why is stock photography considered a lazy way to make money online? Well, the beauty of stock photography is that you can earn money from the same photo over and over again. Once you've taken a great photo and uploaded it to a stock photography site, there's no additional work required. The photo can be sold multiple times, creating a passive income stream that keeps earning without any further effort on your part. Do you have a collection of photos gathering digital dust on your hard drive? Why not give stock photography a try? Turn your passion for photography into a profitable venture. Stock photography allows you to earn money by selling your photos online. There you have it, 5 lazy ways to start earning money online in 2024. We've explored the ease of dropshipping, the passive income from affiliate marketing, the simplicity of taking online surveys, the creativity in content creation, and the potential profits of stock photography. Each of these methods offers unique benefits, from flexibility to scalability, and they all have the potential to deliver daily earnings of up to $300. With these methods, you can start earning up to $300 per day. So why not start today?